how to find saved audios on Instagram. So if you found some audio while strolling through the Instagram reels and you have them saved on your Instagram profile, now you want to find them or where you can easily find them, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to find audio reels on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, so it doesn't matter which device you're using. Just go ahead and open the Instagram app. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you click on that, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right. Then hang on while you take to the settings and activity page. On your Instagram settings and activity page, you want to scroll down the page until you get to how you use Instagram and click on saved. Then under save, you see different folders or collections of folders here. Now go ahead and click on audio. Then once you click on audio, you're going to have access to all the audio you saved on your Instagram here. Then you can now go ahead and then reuse them. So that is where you can easily find saved audios on your Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.